Dance Geek, and today's episode, which is episode 2 of The Secret Life of Tweens. Joined once again by our host Kaysha, and because it's all about Kaysha telling everyone about what tweens are up to, I'm going to have a nap. No, I'm not going to nap, but we are here in Kaysha's bedroom. So Miss Kaysha, I'm going to take my glasses off.
Oh no, blind woman.
I'm not completely blind. It's because I'm old. Stop flaunting your youth in my face. What language, what tween teenager language are you sharing with us today?
Lit.
Like as in L-I-T?
Yes, not as in lit the candle. Oh, the candle.
It's the same spelling, but the candle is lit. I lit the candle.
No.
No? So we're not talking about candles?
No.
No, not in that context?
No.
Okay, then tell us. Go for it. Tell me about it. What does lit mean? Where would you use it?
Oh, that party was lit.
Okay, so from the way you said that, I think it was a good party.
Exciting, you know.
Okay.
Fun.
Alright, so would this be the correct context for that term? Beyonce's performance at Coachella was lit.
Yes.
I actually knew what that term meant already. Because I'm really young and cool. She's doing that look again, isn't she? I know she's doing the, oh my god, my aunties are not coast look. Anyway, so, in a dance situation, if a teacher said, wow, those pliés, wow, those pliés are lit, what would you think if your if your dance teacher said that to you? Would you?
I would kind of look at like all my other teammates and go,
So don't tell your students that their pliés are lit. Because the thing is, we're not really saying you should use these terms if you are yourself not a tween.
because it would seem a bit weird. Like,
yeah, well, it's their language. It's the kids' language. There are certain words that adults should not be using because you sound as moronic as you think you do.
Not suitable for adults.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, so let's move on then to...
You can't remember what was next, can you?
No. I'm old. I've got brain issues.
I've got homework due tomorrow. Do you think my brain's buzzing? Yes, it's buzzing.
Okay, so Kaysha is going to tell us about an entertainment that the kids are into at the moment. What sort of entertainment are we talking about today? Is it a music thing? Is it a TV show, movie, game, YouTube channel? What is it?
It's... I haven't chosen.
Kaysha hasn't done her homework. You have a list of them. Alright, so what entertainment, game, activity, musical, show, whatever are the kids into now?
Slime.
Yes, they are. Now,
I've actually got slime in the fridge.
why?
Because it happens. Because
Slime happens. It's better than saying shit happens. Well, there used to be bumper stickers with that on it. We should make bumper stickers that say, slime happens.
Yes, we should.
Have you seen the slime after slime video? Yes,
Yes.
we watched the video. So funny.
After slime.
And where's all my Tupperware? If it's lost, you can look and you will find it. With slime after slime. And our home is now like a meth lab for kids. Slime after slime.
I love it. I'm still not understanding. You're supposed to be explaining. I know what slime is. I lived through the 90s Nickelodeon era where they slimed everybody.
It still happens. Slime Nickelodeon still happens.
They still slime people. Is it still green slime?
Yeah.
And do the celebs still stand there and go, oh my goodness, I'm so shocked that you slimed me?
Yeah.
When, of course they did because it's Nickelodeon. I can't believe they still do that.
Yeah,
So what
what
do you like about it then?
This, like, everybody's in slime, like when they make slime, or like when people are playing with slime, they say consistency. And they say what is it called?
It's like what it feels like.
Yeah, and they also say
Charlie just pulled the ring light. Do we still look beautifully lit? Lit! But different. I am that old.
Charlie!
And now we're not lit. Alright. Can we see you? Can you see her? Can feel it. Alrighty. I get it. We're like psychically connected. Because I'm a tween too. No, I'm not. I would never go through that again in a million years.
I don't even want to go through it. I'm halfway going through it.
Halfway. You're only just starting, dude. You're 12. It's okay. I'm here for you. Oh, that could be a thumbnail. Do you know what I've noticed, right, just after doing that? You know the duck face thing where you go, I'm so old now that when I do duck face, mine looks like cat's bun because it's all wrinkly around my lips.
Go.
I noticed that last night. I was so devo. Anyway, so slime. Okay, so consistency.
And satisfying.
But what makes it satisfying?
So let's just say you put you have it you get the slime and it's like in a circle and you go like that and it just drops and it's so satisfying. Or if it's on.
I get that. Yeah. No, I'm not teasing or making fun or anything. I get that. That would be cool.
And if it's in a circle and you just go like that.
Does it feel smooth?
Yeah. Wait a second.
You got some slime?
Yeah, I've got slime. Oh, Two. I've got glitter and confetti.
Okay, well give me the glitter because I can see it's pink and it's glitter, so of course.
It's not meant to be pink. It was white, and then because the glitter changed it to pink. Do not take it out and it.
Oh,
look.
What do we do then? Oh. All right. Can you see? I'm gonna zoom in post.
Just be careful because it goes everywhere.
Do I just stick? Okay. So what's the deal then? Like, what's the point of this? Ah.
This is old.
That's stuck to my finger now.
Yeah.
How do you make it?
So basically, you just put glue, you put shaving cream, you put borax, you can put glitter, you can dye it, you can, there's so many different slimes. Like there's butter slime, cloud slime, fishbowl slime, rainbow
Butter slime? Like actual butter in it?
No.
Oh.
Cloud slime, iceberg slime, fluffy slime, sticky slime, foam, chalkboard slime.
And
I
you
can keep going.
You kids make so my cousin's stepdaughter makes it, and this is where I first heard about slime being a thing. She makes it and sells it to her friends. She makes it and makes I've got this, and she sells them for like $2 or whatever.
That's what everybody does at school. Everybody does that at school. It's like, oh my god, I've got 2 ounces. Anybody want it for like $4? What?
Well, I have slime remnants on my hand now, and it doesn't have that satisfying feeling of when you peel PVA glue off, because that I can get behind. But I kind of get it.
Oh, and there's clear slime as well. This is just so old.
What do the teachers think of it? Like, do they get really?
They ban it.
I was gonna say, has it been banned? Is it contraband now? Is it like,
it's banned. It's a ban.
No drugs at school and no slime. Is it unisex? So are boys and girls into it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. I like that. I like things where it's,
It's on
I hate gendered toys because, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Can you stop making it?
I was waiting for you.
But I like toys that are very, very, everyone's into them. Like, not everyone's into them, but all genders are into it. But
I don't know. Let's try other one.
I was enjoying this, but
But
this is just because it's old, isn't it? Like normal. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to ruin it. We are going to have to pause because I'm going to have to. I can't touch things because, ew. Slime. I saw the slime and it opened up my eyes. I saw the slime. Do you know that? Very old. That's actually, you know what? That song, Ace of Base, I Saw the Sign, came out when I was in grade 6.
grade 6 now. So that's like 58 months.
Very old. Okay, so that was slime. Slime
after slime.
Alright, so final, before we get to the dance one, because we will have to get up and reset and what's out, Kaysha? What was in, very, very recently in, but is now out?
Musically. Musically was very popular and it's still popular, but it's not as popular as it was when it first came out.
Because like that was like your number one social media app sort of thing for ages,
And all the
wasn't it?
celebrities were on it and everything was on it. Everything was on it.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they fill the open air.
I found a nickel! I wish I had pockets.
Hey, I just had coffee. I don't know what's going on with my life, but it feels amazing. My eyebrows look amazing. My hair looks amazing. I feel invincible. I feel dangerous. I feel like a dinosaur. I am a dinosaur. Bye, everybody. Have a good day.
I'm a fireball.
And then it just
Alright, so
started drifting.
people got sick of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know what Musically is because you taught me. I was like, what's this Musically thing, Kaysha? Actually, do you know that was when I got the idea to do this show? Because I'd be like, the kids at dancing were talking about this thing called Musically. What is it? What is it, Kaysha? Educate me. And she did, and it was actually quite fun, but I never really felt like I needed to do it at home or anything like that.
Celebrities go on it, but like they only at least like post 3 Musicallys and then they stop.
Yeah, well, fair enough.
But then they still got heaps of followers.
I think,
how does that happen?
well, I think with Musically, like it was fun. I found it fun to do, but there was nothing else after that. Like it didn't grow.
No.
There was no like, you can now do something different. Like with and it was a social media app. So
You can text on there as well.
oh, okay, well, there you go, that's a good thing. But yeah, like
You can do
with other
comments.
social, like Facebook, Instagram, even Snapchat, you can do other things. Or with Snapchat, they're constantly changing the filters. But Musically, I find, I mean, yes, the music and the stuff
They do
on it
have
can
filters
change.
on Musically as well.
There you go. Oh, that's interesting. But yeah, but that's not as big as it used to be. I think this is a good time to point out, like we said in the first episode, a lot of these things that Kaysha's telling us about, you're not into.
No.
No.
In that case, I was.
You were into Musically.
I did have mine.
Yeah. But the whole thing is, guys, okay, speaking to the other tweens, younger teenagers, you do you. Alright? If you're into one of the things that we're talking about as being out, or vice versa, if we talk about something that's really in, we're not saying to you, you have to be into this. This show is for tweens to laugh at, because I'm a ridiculous
Not
old
a tween.
person. I'm not a tween. And it's for teachers to understand what this generation,
What we're talking about.
what they're talking about. You know, when they're on
Like
like,
to them, we're talking gibberish.
yes. It's like, Kaysha, what are they talking about? I do that I would constantly do that, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Family dinners, weekly family dinner. I'm like, so Kaysha, tell me about this, because my kids were saying this, and she'd laugh at me. Not my kids, my student kids. She'd laugh at me. She goes, no, like the Shakira's bra
No,
thing.
no.
So no, it's not Shakira's bra. Right? You know, they're not doing the dental floss, Auntie Claire.
No.
It's the floss.
The floss.
I'm like, oh, sorry. When did I not become cool? When was our generation not cool? Oh yeah, that's right. When we turned 30. But yeah, so if you're still into Musically, you keep doing Musically. Did you just crack your foot? Yeah. You know you're a dancer when randomly cracking joints accidentally.
I just cracked my neck.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to finish off with a little intro leading into our dance movement. Okay, and we're going to give people... Kaysha gave me a list of dance moves that she had for future videos, and I chose to do this one right now because I predict that this dance step Kaysha's going to teach us today, I feel that like Musically, it blew up, it was everywhere, it's had its moment, it's gone. I reckon it's about to go. So I said, let's do this one for today's video, for episode 2, because we want to teach it to you before it gets out. And you've probably all heard it and learnt it anyway. It's a really simple dance move, isn't it?
All you need is your arms.
Just your arms. Can you guess what it might be? I'm just going to go and we're going to do a reset up somewhere else. We're going to bring in our little crew of boys to help us with this one. And I'm going to go and just fix up my face, do a little dab, 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 dab. What? That was good. I thought it was funny. Dolan.
If Auntie Claire's pun did not give it away, we're obviously doing dabs.
The dab, the dab, the dab.
Ready, Charlie? Russian dab.
Russian dab, yeah. So let's do a normal dab first and then we'll work up to the advanced dab.
Okay.
Ready? Show us, Kate. Just, do you have to do a bend?
No.
The knees? No? Just so one arm bend.
Smelling your armpit.
Oh, lovely.
Just see if you got BO.
Oh, thank you. Charlie, come dab. And are there variations? Like using stuff? Come on, darling. Come dab. Baby dab. Ready? Ready? Zoom in. Baby dab. Ready?
That is with the hand.
Jump and dab. Okay, Indy, show us jump and dab. Ready? Go. Oh, yes. Woo. Kaysha, show us your Russian dab. Kaysha, name these things like a Russian jet, hey? Go for it.
Or Charlie.
Yay, Charlie dance. We're dancing. And dab. Alright, so let's do like a little bit of... Let's put all of that together.
Watch me do my dab. Watch me do my dab. Watch him do his dab. Watch him do his dab. Watch her do a dab. Watch her do a dab.
Yeah! Alright, come in guys, come in. Everyone in. Charlie in. So, this is our little crew. This is our little Willwood family crew. That's just Indy's head. Indy, move back. Indy you'll probably know from Monday Moves with Indy on my Instagram. 100 Days of Dance. This one's Charlie. Over here we've got Kaysha's brother Teal. Kaysha obviously. These two are Barwoods, Williams, little Williams. I'm a Haywood, so we are the Willwood crew. Did you know that? Yeah, you know I want to get our name changed. We will in a minute. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Thank you to Kaysha for all her lovely knowledge and research. And we'll see you in the next episode of Secret Life of Tweens. Bye!